Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of the Windone E2 e-bike. So now that we have our bike out of the box, we're going to start unwrapping it. So now that we have our bike out of the box, we can see we have a few different things that it comes with. We have our pedals, our tools for the assembly, our power supply, light, battery, mud guard, and pump. So now we're going to put our handlebars on. So first we're going to take our screws out here. So before we put our handlebars on, we're going to make sure we tighten this in place. So now we're going to put our handlebars on. So now we're going to put our 4 screws back in. So now we're going to put our front wheel on. So we'll take this cover off first, then we'll also take this bracket off too. So first we're going to unscrew our caps and take off our washers on both sides. I prefer to actually flip the bike upside down. It makes it a lot easier. So first we're going to put our wheel bar in, and then we'll put these on after. Make sure the small one is on this side. I'm gonna put our washers on and then screw back in. It's in the same here. So now we're gonna put our shock in. So first we'll unscrew this. All right, and now we'll put our washer back on with our nut. Okay. So now we're gonna put our light on. So we'll put this side on first. Remember to put this on the inside. Tighten it with our hand first. Now we're going to connect our light and make sure the arrows are aligned. So now we're going to put our mud guard on. So unscrew this. We can take that out. So now we're going to put our pedals on. We'll start with the left one first. Now we're going to put our right pedal on. All right, so now we're going to put our battery in. Now we're going to take our keys and turn the lock clockwise to make sure our battery is locked in place. Now we're gonna air up our tires. All right, so now we're gonna charge our battery. So now that our bike is done and we've tested everything, we're gonna take it out for a spin.